In this video, I'm going to show you how you can join a clan here in Clash Royale using two different methods. Before we dive into this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more Clash Royale content just like this. But first things first, go ahead and tap on the little clan icon in the bottom right corner. And there's actually going to be a search bar up in the top right. From here, you can either browse suggested clans, which is usually just clans from your country, or you can type in any keyword for specific clans. Now, I'm obviously in a clan right now, so the search bar isn't there for me, but that's how you would search up a clan. Just make sure if the clan is open to join or it requires an invitation. Open clans are going to let you join instantly. Invitation ones, you're obviously going to need an invitation for. You guys can feel free to join my clan right here that I created for this channel. It's called Boz Club, that is B-O-Z space C-L-U-B. You should join it so we can run some clan wars. But the second method is by just joining a friend's clan. You can actually find a friend's profile. In this case, we're going to go back, click on the little friends icon and choose this guy right here. When you click on their profile, there's going to be an option that says view clan. Select that and you'll be able to possibly get yourself an invite or just join as well. There's also this request to join option, which is just all the way over on the right. I'm not going to click it because I'm not trying to join this clan right now, but that is an option as well. Once they accept, you'll become a member of their clan. Now, if you do want to join the top leaderboard clans, you are going to need high trophies, so keep grinding. But I hope this guide did help you out. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.